Hi there, welcome to this guide on how to join the AWOW Aromatherapy Association. Proudly the first and only aromatherapy association in Singapore, AWOW Aromatherapy Association offers members exclusive access to free aromatherapy and essential oil therapy education. There are three categories of membership in the AWOW Aromatherapy Association: annual membership, lifetime membership, and angel lifetime membership. How to become an annual member? Simply scan the QR code, fill out the membership application form on our website, or register via WhatsApp. The annual membership fee is 60 Singapore dollar and membership is renewed yearly. Benefits of annual membership: free access to the essential oil database on our website, aromatherapy and essential oil profile videos on our YouTube channel, a series of essential oil stories on podcast. Stay updated with our latest news on Facebook and featured member highlights. Receive AWOW Aromatherapy e-newsletters with curated updates on essential oils and aromatherapy. The complimentary course features the AWOW Aromatherapy Theory class, which is a required foundation for all members. The association's exclusive AWOW Essential Oil Massage Practical Course. Free aromatherapy healing workshops. Free aromatherapy educational talks. Expert talks on essential oils. Aromatherapy Master Seminar. A dedicated member spotlight board featuring individuals from diverse backgrounds who love aromatherapy and essential oils. On the Thanksgiving Members Appreciation Day, we'll recognize members with course completion certificates and honors such as the Best Annual Member Award. AWOW Aromatherapy Heritage Activities including Christmas gift-making workshop, Youth Aromatherapy Day Camp, Parent-Child Essential Oil Workshop. How to become a lifetime member? A one-time payment of SGD $600 will do, no more renewal membership fee. The benefits of lifetime member including all the annual membership benefits. Advanced Aromatherapy Masterclass. One-on-one aromatherapy consultation. Lifetime member professional showcase on our website. Lifetime membership certificate. On the Thanksgiving Members Appreciation Day, we'll recognize members with course completion certificates and honors such as the Best Lifetime Member Award. Lifetime members will have the priority access to limited edition products and opportunity to join free aromatherapy cultural tours. The Angel Lifetime Membership is the highest honorary tier of AWOW Aromatherapy Association. By invitation only. One-time membership fee, 1,200 Singapore dollars. Angel Lifetime Membership includes all the benefits of both annual and lifetime memberships, along with exclusive perks such as aromatherapy retreats. Your name proudly displayed on the Angel Lifetime Member Honor Roll. Featured interview for Angel Lifetime members. Angel Lifetime Membership Certificate. Angel Lifetime Members Day. Exclusive aromatherapy cultural tours. Business collaboration opportunities. Can't wait to meet you. Come join the AWOW Aromatherapy Association.